This is the newly launched Kovix Smart Alarm Lock, the KD6 2014 April edition in fluorescent green. Today, we are going to demonstrate the waterproof feature and thereafter show the inner parts of this smart lock. When you hear a beeping sound means the alarm is on, and when you hear a double beep means the alarm is off. Now we have activated the alarm, and within 5 seconds you will hear a beeping sound. After 5 seconds, if somebody moves the lock, the alarm will be triggered and it will ring for 12 seconds. This smart lock will rearm by itself after 5 seconds. Again, if somebody moves the lock, the alarm will be triggered and ring for 12 seconds. We will now unlock the alarm and take an inner look at the parts of this smart lock. First, we unscrew the locking system with the Allen key. There you are. This is the cover, and then we take out the alarm module. Finally, we see the body of the lock. As can be seen, it is waterproof. Every part is still in a very good condition.